You ready?
Jordyn, wait in line.
Okay, Olivia, we're gonna spin it for you.
No, Libby.
Oh, you skip a turn. Okay, she's out of
Elise.
this. Okay, ready, Elise?
Mommy's doing it.
Oh no. Oh, no.
All right, spin it.
Wait a minute. Wait, that's stupid turn.
I see pull one.
Okay, pull one.
I can't pull it.
Just pull it
Pull it
out.
hard. There we go. Okay, she's safe.
I don't know.
Jordyn, your turn?
I don't know if that's water or not.
All right, Jordyn, is it your turn?
I spilled water on me.
Olivia, it's just sprinkles. You'll really feel it.
Olivia, can you pull it
Oh,
for me?
you'll feel it.
All right. What is it?
Skip it.
Skip a turn. What the heck? Tyler?
What?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tyler's turn.
How about the boys under there?
We'll put it on his head.
There's only 2 of us.
Pull one. Let him do it. Just pull it.
You
Okay.
didn't feel a drenching sensation? No, I didn't.
Okay. Back to Olivia.
Livy, come on. Aw, you don't want to?
Jordyn's turn.
Awa.
Ready, Jordyn? Put the hat on. Yeah. Here, put it on. You just put it on. You want to spin the spinner?
Jordan's doing it now, I'll do it.
Okay. Spin the spinner,
Okay,
Jordyn.
spin it, spin it.
No, spin it.
Reverse. One.
Pull
Just one
one.
pull.
All right, she may need some help. It's a little tough.
Ready? Hard, Jordyn. Here, pick one. Tell me which one.
That
This one? Okay. Nothing.
Didn't get it?
Livy, is it your
Lucky.
turn?
Wait a minute. Did.
Did it?
No, not really.
It's just dripping a little.
Okay, Lisa, your turn.
Yay, booty. Yay, booty.
Water balloon?
All right, spin it.
Wait.
And spin again.
Oh, get her. Get her. Now spin again. Is that it? It's still going.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
It is.
Let me wet it.